Want to skip the duds and snag the hottest items on Temu? Today, we're diving deep into finding those best-selling products that everyone's raving about. Let's get started. First things first, open the Temu app on your phone. The easiest way to start is by using the search bar. Let's say you're interested in summer dresses, type that in and hit search. Now, look for the filter options, typically found at the top of the screen. Tap on sort. A menu will appear giving you different options to sort the listed items. Select best-selling. This will reorder the search results, showing you the most popular summer dresses based on sales volume. This immediately gives you an idea of what's trending. But don't stop there. Pay close attention to the number of reviews. Each product has a high number of reviews, generally indicates a popular and often well-received item. Another great method is to browse through Temu's categories directly from the home page. Scroll down and explore the various departments and see the curated trending sections they have. When viewing a product, really dig into the customer reviews. Read what people are saying about the quality, sizing, and overall satisfaction. The more positive reviews, the better. Finally, use the search filters wisely. You can filter by price range, material, and even shipping options to narrow down your search and find the best-selling items that fit your specific needs. And there you have it. By using these simple steps, you can easily uncover Temu's best-selling products and shop with confidence. Now go forth and find those hidden gems. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Temu tips and tricks.